Trini Total Health family, and welcome to another vlog on Trini Total Health with your nurse and entrepreneur Adriana. So guys, another day in vacation. I'm already dressed. I just have on like jeans and the stuff. I'm actually heading San Fernando with my family. Gonna do some business, but I'll carry you guys along. As you can see, the natural hair out for now. I still want to braid my hair, but later down this week I'll do that. So yeah guys, so let's go to San Fernando. Yeah, he wouldn't have known. She will come on the next side. She will come on from the next side, yeah. Let us go straight down and come on. Total Health family, and welcome to another day in the vlog guys. So today is Friday. Yesterday, as you saw, I went Pennywise, and I went in San Fernando Pennywise actually, and I just purchased this Westinghouse shaver for my boyfriend and just some feminine hygiene items, just one or two stuff, because remember I already did my Pennywise haul, so I didn't really pick up stuff to vlog really. So I know he would really like this because he really needed that. But right now, as you can see, I'm pretty much dressed. I'm heading out with my aunt and uncle. We're gonna do some business in probably Marble or Sando and come back. So anything that I vlog, I'll vlog. So yeah guys. Hi my Trini Total Health family, and welcome to another vlog on Trini Total Health with your nurse and entrepreneur Adriana. Guys, it is actually Wednesday. Just took a shower, kind of just moisturizing. I started off wearing my sunscreen and stuff. I'm wearing a little bit of sunscreen even though I'm inside. But I find like these days it's so hot. Even though sometimes we get in some slight showers, but not really much. So I'm moisturizing. Today's a day at home. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm enjoying being home, to be honest. I do not need to be out every single day for my vacation, so I'm taking it as it comes. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to the beach. I don't know what beach as yet, but in the morning we will figure that out. The menu tomorrow is curry, so we're supposed to be doing chana, duck. I don't know if we're doing chicken. We ordered the roti, so we had to collect it tomorrow before we head to the beach. So all that is the plan for tomorrow. So that's why I leave my hair out like natural hair, because I don't want to braid and then have a set of sand in my hair. I don't like that. We're going. So I'm just moisturizing. Really, that's about it. I'm trying this new red one blue aqua hair wax, full force, maximum control. I bought a small bottle. You remember the last time I went Pennywise, I bought the olive oil one, so I want to try this one and see. To me this smells like bubble gum. Anybody try the blue red one before? If you have, let me know in the comments. But to me this is seriously smelling like bubble gum. And I got the other edge brush, so I could fix my edges. Not really putting too much product in my hair. I just want to keep it nice and soft and not too sleek. This is more like a messy updo kind of thing. I don't like it, so yeah. Mom is in the kitchen right now. She's doing the anchar, some anchar for my aunt and uncle, plus for tomorrow too for the beach lime. So I'll go in the kitchen now and you guys will see how she's doing that. She's doing it the anchar masala way. So there's many different ways you could do your anchar. Most Trinidadians like it the anchar masala way or curry. I like it personally curry, but she's doing it the masala way, which isn't too bad either. So let's go in the kitchen. Hi my Trini Total Health family, good morning and welcome to another vlog on Trini Total Health with your nurse and entrepreneur Adriana. So guys, today is Thursday. I'm actually getting ready to go to the beach. I'm already in my bathing suit and shorts. Don't mind the stomach. Yeah, so I'm pretty much ready to go. I just moisturizing my face, putting on my sunscreen and packing my bag. Supposed to leave home already. It's 8 a.m. So yeah guys, so I would not be long. I already fixed my hair last night, so it's just to untie this. I get a little wet in the shower, but can't help that. My hair is growing, you guys. Put on my t-shirt. It's already making hot, guys. Right, so I have my t-shirt, my shorts, almost ready. Hope you guys are doing good otherwise. My bag is pretty much packed. I want to put on this clear shade. Yeah. Look at it. Different. Cute. Just fix my edges. Y'all, this still smell like bug. Oh wow. So I plan to carry my camera plus my phone. I gotta get my waterproof case, and if I had a GoPro, man, y'all would love that water footage according to what beach we go to. But that's okay. Use what we got until we get better. So let me pack my bag and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, my Trini total health family, so I'm pretty much ready. Just wearing this t-shirt and jeans. Just waiting for everybody to come out. But I'm ready to go. I can't wait. It's been a while since I've been to the beach, so yeah, I think we're heading as Cuevas. So they say, I don't know, but wherever we end up, I will definitely show you guys on the way as well as when I reach. So see you there. Okay, my Trinidad total family, so we're at the lookout. No, they're not seeing you, they're seeing me. Right? So I'm gonna show you guys the view right now, right? Really nice view. Yeah, if I'm looking around misty. Hello, if I'm around misty.
Yeah, boy. Only red flag up.
But the water clean though.
The plant was there. It's for surfing on you. More people like Morocco than Africa, huh? Because Morocco is more built for the tourist attractions. It has everything right here for you. You don't decide to go all the way up there for nothing. Away from everything.
Now they have a blend? Yeah. Where all the lifeguards gone? You don't know what, huh? He said I think lifeguard.
You can't park on this side.
Lifeguard will run. I'm my Trinidad family, so we're here at Las Cuevas Beach. The sun is really hot. I'm going to show you guys the water.
They have no sanitizer.
And we were supposed to bring the bottle of water, we forget. I'm going to take the water. Okay, my Trinity Total Health family, so I'm back home, guys. I'm feeling so tired that we end up having to take another route to come home. So it was so much driving for my father and my uncle. But with that being said, guys, I'm about to really take a shower. I'm gonna eat some of the food from today, leftover food, because I'm feeling a bit hungry. We have a cooler with some roti. And let me show you guys the roti because I didn't even get a chance to show you guys the food today because it was so hot. It was bus up shot roti. It was nice roti. In this cooler, had anchar masala mango. Close that good. And we also had chana. Also had duck. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the vlog. If it is you enjoyed today's vlog, feel free to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any time that I'm posting. See you guys in next week's vlog. Bye.